let's get started with customizing your account. So in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily change your name or add your username in Remitly so that it can be easily recognized in the future. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your remitly.com website and make sure you are logged in as well. We have also created a video on how to log in or sign up, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done that, on the top right side, you should be seeing this welcome drop-down box right here. So you can just simply select it. And now once you have selected this welcome drop-down box, head towards settings right here on top. So once you are on settings, here you should be seeing profile information, and right beside it, you should be seeing your name on top right here. So you can just simply select add your name or add right here. So once I've selected in one of these two names, you can just simply type in your first name and then your last name. You can click save right here. So once you have selected save, your profile information should be saved, and instead of just welcome, your name should be popping up as well. And that's it. As you can see right here, my name has been popped. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.